for their very last home game. We thank them for all their hard work and dedication they've had for this program after the last 4 years. And introducing our seniors first, number 2, senior Reggie Washington. Number 4, senior Emily Hunter. Number 6, senior Molly Sylvester. Number 8, senior Angel Laguna. Number 12, senior Abby Adams. And managed by the senior Kara Chisley. And now for the rest of the Dickens High Broncos. Number 1, Eva Medina. Number 3, Sophia De La Rosa. Number 5, sometimes 17, Sadie Serta. Number 7, Lady Jones. Number 9, JC Austin. Number 10, Emily Redline. Number 11, Ava Drysdale. Number 13, Allie Swindle. Number 14, Lily Acosta.